Yeah, hello, Martin here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm at the show centre today and looking forward to showing you a brand new feature wall and update to one of our show centre buildings. So this combination store, room and canopy has been up now around about 6-7 years, looking a little bit tired inside, and I'm really excited to share with you a new option that we can do for new buildings and even retrospective buildings like this, which is called our oak veneer feature wall. So this is a oak veneer on a blackened MDF. So these are sheet material that are machined like this. So it's a really lovely, perfect finish on these. Really lovely, rich colours. And we've done this by oiling it as well. So you can get to see that they're really lovely. Hopefully that's coming across quite nicely on this quite dull evening. And then we've got the LED lighting, so strip lighting that's run into one of the channels all the way down. It's a really cool LED lighting that then runs along the top as well. So we've done it almost like this kind of goalpost design. Made that dimmable as well because obviously it's quite powerful. So all the way down to off. We've actually linked all the lights together on this particular one, although obviously we'll be having options where you can have them independently done, but it's just a really nice addition. Really gives a feeling of warmth and feeling inside the room, which I really do enjoy. So that's a new option for you. This new room updated, we've also updated the toilet. Had a little bit of fun in here with a green wall feature wall there, and this antique mirror kind of finish on there. You can just about see that kind of markings on there, so that's really nice, and that's given a really nice feeling when you walk into this room with that mirror reflecting the green wall. So there you go. So new addition to the to our show centre, and an option if you've got a building of ours already, we can say add this new oak veneer feature wall on for you, and for any new clients, it's a lovely new option. Thank you for watching, liking and subscribing, and let me know your thoughts on this new feature wall.